To create premium and clean website section using JoonWeb AI, first click on Add with AI option. In this chapter, we will first create sections using prompt presets and then customize them. Here, choose a prompt preset. For example, let's add a review section and hit Generate button. Section has been successfully added. Now let's customize it. For example, let's try adding a link to the Write Review button. Let's preview it. Now let's create an e-commerce section. For example, we will create a product feed section in this chapter using JoonWeb AI. First click on Add with AI option. Here choose Product Feed option under Section Type field. Now describe your complete prompt like, what are your requirements regarding design and functionalities and etc. Click on Generate button. Feed section has been created successfully. To customize it, click on Edit option. Here, customize your titles and headlines. Also, you can customize style settings, change color, and adjust padding of the section. Section settings updated successfully. Now, if you want to make changes in this section or add something new, you can do with Modify with AI option. Simply click on Edit and enter your follow-up prompt in the Modify with AI section. For example, let's add an auto slider to our product feed. After entering the follow-up prompt, click the Update Section button. Section has been modified successfully. You can manage slider setting from here. Now let's preview it. Our product feed auto slider section working successfully.